Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's July 22nd, 2025, and it's about 7:30 in the evening. I'm topping off the waters. Lisa's over there milking Bella. It's been a beautiful day. A lot of sunshine and blue skies. The weather's been really nice. It's like 82 degrees right now. So Lisa's walking down there with grain, and the goats just realized that. Harold's been a good pig. He did dump his water over, but overall, he's not a bad pig. All the animals are taken care of for tonight. Yeah, it's been a great day. Hopefully tomorrow, we got the same type of weather. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.